After 3 months in mini braids and 4 months no comb, you need to see what Okra Gel did to my hair. Hey my beautiful people, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. Let's start with how I made my Okra Gel because this gel really amazed me in the best way. I use fresh okra. I wash them nicely and slice them into small. You can use more or less depending on how slippery you want your gel to be. After slicing, I put them inside a clean pan and added some water. Not too much water, just enough to cover the okra so it can release all that wonderful sleep. I placed the pan on a low heat. Please low heat is important so the gel cooks slowly and becomes very slippery. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. It encourages me to keep sharing more. As the pan started heating up, the water turned slimy and the okra began to release that beautiful thick gel. And let me tell you some of the amazing benefits of Okra Gel. It has incredible sleep for detangling. Okra Gel softens the hair instantly. Okra Gel adds moisture and shine. It reduces breakage. It keeps the hair juicy and hydrated. It helps define coils. It strengthens weak strands and it promotes hair growth because it contains vitamins A, C and K. My friends, when I opened the pot and saw sleep, I said, this one will humble any tangle today. Yes, this is exactly what my hair needs after all the braids and all the months with no comb. I allowed it to cook until the gel became thicker and stretchy. You will know it's ready when you lift your spoon and the gel stretches like glue. After that, I turned off the heat and let it cool for a little bit. Then, I strained it using a wig cap. You can also use a cheesecloth, anything that helps you separate the gel from the okra pieces. Make sure to press and squeeze so you don't waste any gel because this gel is precious. And just like that, my okra gel was ready. Very simple very natural, very effective, and very affordable. One of my favorite things about DIYs is that they don't stress your pocket. Sometimes nature gives us everything we need right in our kitchen, and Okra Gel is one of the best examples. Honestly, Okra Gel is like a cheap magic potion for natural hair. If your hair loves moisture and sleep, it will love Okra Gel. Now, let's move into the application. You all know I just took down my 3 months plus mini braids, and since then I haven't used a comb or brush on my hair for 4 months. 4 good months. My hair has been relaxing, enjoying our soft life, no disturbance. So when I was finally ready to detangle, I knew I needed something very gentle, something that would melt all the tangles without stress. And Okra Gel always come true for me. I first prep my hair for the application. Then I apply the gel section by section. Immediately it touched my hair, everything changed. My hair became soft instantly, very juicy, very easy to work with. My detangling brush just entered the hair like they were invited. I keep applying more gel and working through it slowly. Every time I separate a section, the tangles just soften on their own. No pulling, no pain, just smooth detangling. You know that feeling when your hair is behaving well? I was so happy. Okra Gel made it so easy to remove shed hair without breakage, and my coils were looking fresh and hydrated. If your hair gets dry or tangle easily, if you just remove braids, or if your hair loves moisture, please try Okra Gel. You will be shocked at the difference it makes. Hair care doesn't always have to be stressful. Sometimes you just need the right sleep, the right patience, and a gentle touch. Natural hair grows beautifully when you treat it well and handle it slowly. Take your time with your hair, show it love, be consistent, and your hair results will surprise you. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your notification bell because I have more DIYs and natural hair videos coming your way. I love you all, stay blessed, and keep taking care of your beautiful hair.